Hello guys, in this video we're gonna share with you our top 3 beaches in El Nido.
Yeah.
All of those beaches are on Palawan Island,
Yeah.
on the main island, so you don't need to rent a boat or buy a tour to get there.
Yeah.
But better to use motorcycle because it's more comfortable than tricycle. Of course, if you have driver license in English,
Yeah, that was better.
yeah, or you need to get a translation from your embassy. So let's go.
Let's go.
Number 3 is Nakpan Beach.
Yeah.
This beach near from Twin Beach. It's almost the same beach. It's far away from the city. It will take about 1 hour to get there by bike. But be careful because there is a bumpy and rocky road.
Yeah, especially when it's rainy, it's so slidey because it's so muddy.
Yeah, and you can rent there quads, ATVs, but it's noisy there because of these ATVs. There are not so many places with shadows.
Yeah.
So it's empty sand area, and a huge area.
Yeah, it's
but,
huge.
It's really hot there, so if you want to lay under shadow, it will be really crowded.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
If you're single, you can maybe find someone there.
Yeah,
Really
and if you want to rent a sunbed, you need to pay about 500 pesos.
Or
It's,
$9.
$9, yeah. And be aware about sunflies.
Yeah.
We didn't met sunflies there, but I read in the comments that there are some period of time in a year when it's a lot of them. That's why it's only number 3. Number 2 is Lio Beach. Really nice beach, good location, easy to get there from downtown, less than, I don't know, 15 minutes. It's just near airport, so you can see arrival and take off of plane. So it's really nice to see it.
Yeah, there's a lot of shadows. You can go
Yeah.
under the trees.
Yeah.
If you love to swim like daytime, you can swim there like whole day if you want.
It's really good organized beach with plenty of cafes and bars there.
Peaceful beach, it's not so crowded and it's more free there. Free swing, free sunbath.
You can see some squirrels there, and for me only one minus is you cannot fly a drone because it's near airport, but for you I think it doesn't matter. So it's really good beach, number 2. Number 1 beach is Vanilla Beach.
Yeah.
It's our favorite beach. We spend there most time of our vacation. It's really nice sunsets there. A lot of people. So if you are single, you can meet someone there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, a lot of foreigners there. It's public beach, so it's free sunbeds there. It's free swings, good music, especially at night. It's really cozy and nice place to spend evening with good deep house music.
If you're gonna stay there, you will not gonna go somewhere to go to the beach because still there's a apartment or condo there so very near at the shore, so you will not gonna go somewhere.
So if you can afford them, it's
Yeah.
really nice place to stay. And there is a zip line.
Yeah.
It's really fun. and on the
So
other
good.
island you just zip line from one island to another,
Yeah.
and on the second island you can meet monkeys in the wild.
Yeah.
Real monkeys.
Real monkeys,
Yeah.
like wild, super wild.
It's a good road. It's
Short.
near downtown, about maybe 15-20 minutes. There are a lot of bars,
Yeah.
cafes, McDonald's and other restaurants.
And there's a gym there.
Yeah, you can go camping there. It's
Yeah.
free. It's free sunbed there and swings. So it's really nice beach. It's our number one.
Yeah, super good.
Our bonus. Next beach is beach in downtown.
Yeah, here at the port.
Yeah, El Nido Beach. So it's really nice views there.
Yeah, really
Cliffs.
nice.
You can go hiking there, but it's like boat port. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
Seaport.
yeah.
So water is not clear.
Yeah.
Not clean.
Yeah.
And better not to swim there because of gasoline and diesel from boats. It's easy to get there because it's in downtown.
Yeah.
Probably if you buy one of A, B, C, D or other tours, you will be on this port because it's main seaport there.
the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and life. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Walking in cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best, living wild and free, with you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side.
So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support, because without your support we can't go here and enjoy these amazing, beautiful, stunning places and beaches. Yeah, only because of your support we can afford it and share these beautiful views with you.
Yeah.
And you may be interested in our another video, kayaking trip to in uninhabited island, and you can feel how to be like alone on a whole tropical island. It's really good experience. If you will be near there in El Nido, you can go. I read in the comments that you need to get permission, but where we rent a kayak, people said that we can go there, so we didn't need special permission. And hope you can go there and enjoy as we did. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.